What's up, everybody? This is Alanda Gregory with Phoenix Rise Production and Echelon Coaching. I want to give you guys, entrepreneurs especially, a quick tip, a quick inspirational tip for the day. First of all, we already know being an entrepreneur is a little challenging, and it is something else, right? But I wanted to give you all a quick tip. My tip is don't talk to other people that don't understand your dream. And I'm going to tell you why. You talk to someone that works every day, have a very great job, they're doing fantastic on their job, and you started your own business. Say you talk with that person and they're trying to get you like, well, you know what, maybe you shouldn't have gone that way. Maybe you should have stayed working. Maybe you shouldn't be, maybe you shouldn't be doing that. Don't talk to them. Don't talk to anyone that don't understand being an entrepreneur. If they've never been an entrepreneur, don't talk to them because they don't know what it's like to be an entrepreneur. They know what it's like to get a paycheck at the scheduled time when they should be getting it, right? So you don't want to just, it's cool to be friends with them, listen to them, hang out with them. But when it's time for you to talk about your business and your joy and your love for it, the quickest way to kill that dream is, guess what? Talk to somebody that have no idea. So my inspiration for you today is keep pressing. Surround yourself with people that are on the same page as you are. Find your group in your area with women entrepreneurs, men entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs network. You want to find a network. Keep doing what you're doing because this is your vision. You are responsible for your vision. You're responsible for the people you put in your life to support your vision. Stop talking to those people that have no vision. That's my quick entrepreneur tip for the day, inspiration for the day. Yeah, I'm outside. It's really gorgeous out here. It's a little cool. It's been raining. And I just want to just give that out. Just give that quick tip for the day. I'm going to do this every day around the same time. I am in Dubuque, Iowa. I am in the middle of the country, Midwest. And so about 8:50, 8:55 every day, I'm going to give some inspiration for the entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur tip for the day, stop sharing your vision with people that do not have one. Their vision is very limited. Stop talking to them because they do not understand your vision. You understand your vision. Get around other people that understand what a vision is. This is Alanda Gregory, the Visionary Coach. I would love for you to follow me. Give me your feedback. Check me out. Check this video out. Share this with other people. Follow me. Do all of that. I'll be checking back in with you tomorrow. I'm very new at Periscope. I am actually absolutely adoring this. I love Periscope. I think I'm going to do this every day. I am going to do this every day. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Peace. Later.